Okay, so, all right, so I'm out in the hall and I want to show you how to set your still lifes up using the light that's coming in the window. So this is later in the day. The sun is behind the school, but tomorrow when you start to take your photos, it'll be early enough in the day that the sun will be on the east side of the school. So I'm in the front hall by the office. What I would like you to do is make sure that you're not crowding the hallway when you're out shooting. We have windows pretty much all along the corridor here. You can also use the foyer out here. There's a couple of carts out there that you can use to put your still lifes on. I don't want you to sit them on the floor. I do want you to use these little benches that we have out here, and also the two round tables. All right, so as you can see, what I have here is my still life image or object set up, and because we're going to really be having light kind of filter down anyway, what I want you to do is take like a piece of black paper. You also notice right here where I have this one set up with the black paper on the seat and also a piece up on the window. Okay, so I'm gonna grab another piece of paper here. And what I want you to do when you come over to shoot your images, I want you to have somebody take this black piece of paper, hold it over the still life to block the light from above, because we do have the light up here that's above. So you're basically going to set the light up here. Somebody's going to hold it above it. So we block that light that's coming. And if you do this, you'll notice, I'll show you how it changes when I start to put this over the top and start to block that light. I'm having a little trouble kind of operating this here. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to get this where I can have it above it. To show you what I'm trying to get you to see here. So the light is coming from outside. If I put this over to the side, I block all the light that's coming in, and you're only dealing with natural light. And also, I have a diffuser that will help you to do it as well. When you're handling the black paper, do me a favor, try not to crease it, because that will happen if you're not careful. So now I have this reflector here, and what I'm going to do, if I move it around it, and I'll show you how it changes how the image looks. I'm sorry about the kind of back and forth here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to get that in my shot there. And you'll notice if I put the deflector down low, you'll see where as I move it around, it kind of changes where my light goes. And you can kind of see it there. So it's kind of subtle, but I do want you to kind of experiment with it. This needs to be done. Everybody needs to have at least 20 images that they take photos of. You're going to upload those, put them in a separate folder on your desktop, and that folder is going to be titled Light Still Lifes. So when you do that, just put exterior light or something on there so we know the difference from the shots that you're taking. If I come back and you don't have 20 images, because you have an hour and a half to get this done, the last part in class is just going to be a couple of edits. I'm going to send you those edits to your email so you'll know exactly what to do. No one should be confused. I explained everything to you, and I hope that you can get it done. If you do not get the 20 shots done and the 3 edits that I'm asking for, you will get you'll get a very low grade or a 0. So it's on you. You know exactly what you need to do. It is the substitute should not have to direct you to do things, because you already know what to do. Anyway, thank you. Have a good day, and I will see you on Thursday.